It is so sticky. Bibo, you destroyed the entire toy aisle.
Toby! Zoe, what is happening here?
Remember, kids, stay close and be polite.
I am the big brother. The red race car cart is mine. Too slow, Toby. I am the driver today. Look at the giant gummy bears. So cool.
Speed up, little driver Zoe. Whoa! Slow down!
Oh no! Stop! I cannot reach the brakes. Whoa! Help! The gummy bears are falling!
You are a sticky gummy princess now.
You will pay for this, big brother. Hey, Toby. Grab that soda for me, please.
My hair! It is sticky soda!
Bibo's magic spray hit you, little sister!
That is it! Time for the Mega Bubble Blaster!
Take this. Bubble attack.
Donut shield activation.
Whoa! Look at that giant glow slime.
I am the Slime King!
It is so sticky. I cannot move. Toby! Bibo, you destroyed the entire toy aisle.
Toby! Zoe, what is happening here?
What in the world is this?
Gummy bears? Soda? Slime? This store is ruined.
Toby, Zoe, who gave you permission to play like this?
It was his/her fault.
You must pay for all these damaged items.
Pay for all of this? But it was just a prank.
Pranks are not funny when they hurt others or break things.
Having fun is okay, but self-control is more important.
I am sorry, Zoe. As your big brother, I should not have pushed your cart. I am sorry too, Toby. I should not have shaken the soda. Sir, we are really sorry. Can we help clean up?
All right, show me your best teamwork.
We made this mess. We will fix it together.
Scraping the slime, step by step. Cleaning is like a fun team puzzle.
You two are doing a fantastic job. The store is sparkling clean. Well done, kids.
We did it, Bibo. Teamwork wins.
We are so proud of you for fixing your mistakes with hard work.
Self-control and sharing make playing much better. See you next time. Remember to behave and learn English with us.